Look, I'm no doctor or anything, but dang. Oh gosh, no. This woman. Yep, you don't need a lift. Nope. Well, what up? I'm back. Check this out. Got the Subaru. It's a freaking race car. Okay. I started sanding on the tips, and I didn't finish it at all. I seriously sanded the blue off, hoping it would be chrome. It's not chrome. Looks like polished aluminum, barely polished. Not the move. So today we're gonna pull these off, full exhaust, finish it or not, sand them down, clean them up, probably have it fall on my face, and make them look brand new and put them back on the car. Let's get to it. So as you can see, not good. Okay. Literally, you can kind of see here where it's blue. I sanded it down with like 3,000, like sandpaper, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, and this is kind of the end result. And I've had the bumper on, which isn't gonna work because I can't get in there. You know what I mean? So pretty much I'm gonna pull these off, probably disconnect them from over there, like over there, and then boom, seriously have them off in my face, put them on a toolbox, and freaking start sanding them up, And if we're feeling real crafty, maybe I might go a little bit further, But as of right now, that is not the goal. Seriously, just the tips. Probably from this point on. All right, so obviously, not trying to mess it up or anything, but got it out. So you got 4 hangers right on these little rubber dudes underneath the car. Let's see. Oh, okay. Swear I'm not 100 years old. So you got 4 of these guys, right? Use this little Jabberwocky right there. Bam. Open and close. And then boom. And then there's like a little V-band down there. Got that sucker off. Super sketchy. Don't recommend, okay? For all the people that don't use jack stands or do. Not recommended, okay? But do as you will. But check this out. These are dang performance drive shafts. I don't know. But they look nice. This looks good. What the heck is that? What does that do? Does it tell you you're going fast? That's what we're going to be doing pretty soon. My goodness, look how dirty that is. Okay, well, we're going to stop looking underneath here. Let's get to polishing, huh? Ultimately, I got some sandpapers here. I got 2,000, right? And this is pretty much like stuff I would use just like buffing a car, refurbishing headlights. Got some more 2,000. 2,000. Okay. What is this? 2,000. Let's see. Oh, 2,000. And I got 3,000, and then I got more 2,000. So I got a lot of 2,000. Okay. I probably need more than 2,000, but here we are. You know, we're just going to get into it. So ultimately, I'm going to use what I already got cut. Boom. And then we'll work to the buffer. Start buffing these suckers. Okay. Make them chrome. Chrome gets you home. Nope. Not really. Obviously, I have a professional stand to do all this, as you can see. No, that's not the case. I seriously almost, you know, had it fall on me, but whatever. Let's get back to it. So obviously, you know, it's not perfect, but you know, the point I'm trying to get at here is I'm trying to get most of the blue out. And I'm thinking right now I just hit it with 2000. I'm gonna come back over it, wet sand with some 3, right? Get it nice and pretty. And then once it's done, then at that point I'll come back with the buffer, some compound. Well, first off, hold on. 3000 wet sand. I'll take some acid from over there, some tire cleaner, clean all this up so my buffer pad's not getting completely destroyed. And then clean all this up, wipe it down, and then bang! We're gonna have some brand new tips. I might leave this because I kind of like it. Pretty sick. Polish those up too. Dang, what the heck? What's going on there? But anyway, yeah, ultimately, the point is, when it's on the car, it's gonna look pretty fly, you know? Match some chrome that I don't really have, but you know, it'll be better than blue. Look, I'm no doctor or anything, but dang, that's just with just compound, just, you know, regular rubbing compound. Did the thing. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, back to new. Look at that. I mean, look, that was blue, and look, I'm probably gonna do all this by hand, you know, but that's looking really good. And that's seriously 2000 grit, wet sanding, and then 3000 little acid cleaner just to make sure nothing's on there. For a second, I thought it was still blue, and I was like, wait. It's not blue. It's just the car reflection. Because it's like a dang mirror, okay? But look, this is the other side. Got a little compound there. But you can see it's a little bit duller, but it's going to come around. I'm going to do some final polish on there. And it's gonna be sick. Give me 1 second, and I'll be right back. Flipped it over, of course. I'm gonna get y'all a little bit closer so you can see in depth how it transfers from this to compound, and then I'll keep going and I'll just do a polish, and then boom, we're ready to put this sucker on the car and do race pulls, you know? Race car. Let's get it. So obviously, okay, we got it pretty dialed in. Freaking just polished them up. And then now, Chrome will get you home. Chrome will get you home. 100%. Nope. Not the case. But they look nicer, you know. So when I have them on the car, somebody walk up. Dang, look at that. So going to be pretty sick. I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. And then once it's all done, I'll go ahead, get y'all back on the back end of the car. Y'all can watch me put it on. It's done. Okay? Kind of, not really. I got to still put it on the car. Man, a crow is just, he's barking right now. I don't know. I didn't do anything. Wasn't me. All right, well, let's start putting this thing in. All right. All I need, some lubricant and my 14mm ratchet for the V-band. Let's do it. Okay. I'll tell you what, I'm tired. I am so tired. Okay. All right. Let's not drag the tips. Let's see. Oh man, I'm dragging the tips. Oh my gosh, I'm messing up already. Come on. Oh gosh. No. Oh god. Let's drag other things. Oh, too far, too far. All right. Hey, there we go. All right, let me go ahead and spray some. I can't see anything. Oh. Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna. That's why see. That's why I'm wearing glasses. You see, so I don't hurt myself. All right, don't scratch. I'm try to do both at one time. Oh, that's not gonna work. All right. Okay. Okay. That's. Oh. Okay. Well, this is just confusing, huh? Okay. Oh. Well, hey, if you're still watching, you know, watch the whole video. It helps the guy out, and like and subscribe. You know, I'm not sweating, but I mean, I'm feeling it. Oh gosh. Okay. All right, closer. Let's see if I can just hook it to the V-band. Oh, almost. Yeah, baby. Okay. Use my. Oh, get out of here. Man, they said. I bet they're saying this is a one-man job. I can almost guarantee it. They're like, yeah, it was one man. Yep, you don't need a lift. Nope. Oh yeah. All right, let's move on this side. Okay. Okay. Man, I'm about to dirty up the whole tip. Oh. Well, would you just do the thing? Oh. Come on. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere. All right, let's set this one up. Oh, black butter. Gotta have. Oh, special. Hold on. Oh, gosh. Can you imagine if I did the whole thing? Oh my gosh. This ain't no show car. It's a freaking race car. Okay. Ignore all the clanking. That's no big deal, I think. All right. We're hooked up. I mean, V-band time. Get on there. Am I going to have to? I can't see anything. Well, okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, snap. Crackle pop. A guy freaking figured it out. Can I do righty tighty? Am I tightening? I got the wrong wrench. It's too big. Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Here we go. Whew. All right, I think I got the right one. Righty tighty. You know, the basics. Let's see. Man, it's gonna look sharp. Man, these things are. I mean, I could brush my teeth in those. Okay. Oh yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. Freaking race car, man. Okay. All I'm doing is tightening this exhaust onto the rest of it. You know, just connecting two pipes. Oh, let me just get comfortable. Okay. Okay. Whew. All right. Motivation. You can do it. Okay. Back at it. Seems tight enough. I mean, shake test. Yeah, it's on there. All right, let's get out from underneath this car. Well, okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.